Assalamualaikum. I'm Kaisa from Fahrafi. Today I will share how to make volcano eruption. Before we start, gather our items. First is dishwashing liquid, vinegar, an empty bottle, food coloring, baking soda, shovel and spade for digging, and watering tools. First, we dig a hole to put the empty bottle. After we dig the hole and bury this bottle, now we put sand and put it like a mountain. Now you have your mountain. You can decorate some plant or toys to make it big. Now you can put 2 tablespoons of baking soda and you can use it to make one baking soda. Pour the vinegar into the watering can. Mix the dishwashing liquid with vinegar. Put few drops of food coloring into the mixture. Shake the mixture. Finally, pour the mixture into the bottle. Be careful for the eruption. That's all for me. Be safe. Bye.